Today, we'll follow a woman named Sarah as she experiences an unexpected adventure during her trip. Sarah is staying at a hotel, enjoying her vacation. After shopping, Sarah waits outside the mall for a taxi. Suddenly, a thief appears and snatches Sarah's purse. Sarah rushes to the police station to report the theft.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How can I help you?
I need to report a theft. My purse was stolen outside the mall.
Can you give me your name and address?
My name is Sarah Johnson. I'm staying at the Grand Hotel, room 212.
How much money was in the purse? Any mobile phone or other valuables?
I had about $200 in cash and my mobile phone.
Can you describe the thief? What was he wearing? Any distinguishing features?
He was wearing a black hoodie and jeans. He had a beard and mustache.
The police quickly spring into action and manage to catch the thief, recovering Sarah's purse.
Ma'am, we caught the thief and recovered your purse. Please come to the station.
Thank you so much, officer. I'm so grateful. You did an amazing job.
Just doing my duty, ma'am. Stay safe.
The thief is now behind bars, and Sarah is relieved to get her purse back.